Baker, I'll accept your plea to the added charge. Dismiss the original charges as per your agreement with the prosecutor's office. So that means you're going to go downstairs on the fail to report and the impaired driving. You're going to set up a date to come back and be interviewed with probation. Based on that, they'll put a report together. We'll all look at that report and talk about that report and anything else you want to talk about, and then I'll sentence you. Understood? All right. Did I put you on a bond yet? All right. So let's do that. I'll put you on a personal bond. First condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble, no new charges. Second one is pretty obvious, cooperate with probation and get back here to resolve this file. Third one, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with all those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up? Any questions? All right, we're showing that on already owed files, not today's two files, but you already owe us $534. Are you in a position to set up some kind of, you can put your hand up. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan? Yeah. Can you do that before you leave? Okay. You gonna pay it all? Okay. All right, that'll earn you a smile from the cashier. So go downstairs and take care of that after you see probation. Michael Blade.
Thank you, Don. Usually don't know, so.
Sorry. No good. Sir, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes.
All right, let's see what we got. So I've got one file, which is drove while license suspended revoked from November 29. I've got operated with an unregistered vehicle from that same date. And registration or plate violation misdemeanor from that same date. I understand those were setting for bench trial, correct? You understand, sir, that you do have a constitutional right to a jury trial? All right, and you're going to waive that so we can give you a bench trial? I'm not trying to talk you out of it. I just want to make sure you understand your rights. Let me give you some more information. I can guarantee that a bench trial is going to be a faster process because that's pretty much me, the prosecutor, and you or your attorney if you bring them. When we do a jury trial, first thing we got to do is we got to pick a jury. We got to pick 7 people to sit in those chairs during the trial. And that process alone adds a lot to the trial time. So it's a quicker process for a bench trial. Personally, I like jury trials because I get to schmooze people that way. But you might not want a jury trial just because it drags things out. Are you going to do that by yourself? You're sure? Have you talked to an attorney? Here's the problem. If we have a jury trial, I'm going to hold you to the same standards I hold the attorneys to. That means you got to know the court rules. You got to know the statutes. You got to know all the rules because I'm not taking you to law school during a jury trial. Bench trial, I can give you a little bit more leeway because I'm not wasting their time. We got court appointed attorneys here today. All right. Jury trial. Okay. I don't even know. Here on April 20.
Is that time? I just added another one on this day, so there are 2 there, 3 there.
Are you on a payment plan now with us?
Yes.
Okay. Are you current with that payment plan?
Today,
Say again? Well, go downstairs and make arrangements so they know, so they don't add late penalties or anything.
Gonna be in June, because we know.
Okay. All right. On these 3 files, we're going to give you a jury trial date. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. So first 2 conditions are pretty obvious. No new charges and show up for court. All right. Can you do that? Raise your right hand. On these 3 files, do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 on each of these files for a total of $3,000 if you screw up and violate bond? You understand all that? Still looking?
I sent Jamie out to go ask Caitlin.
Okay. Sir, just have a seat. We're checking with the prosecutor to make sure she's available when we are, so we can give you that trial date. I've already got him on bond. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on a minute. We got another file here that you owe us money on. A drove while license suspended from December 1. Looks like you're in warrant status. Why?
Prosecutor here, Judge, of this.
Okay, it looks like it's just a money thing.
That was a bench trial.
It was supposed to.
All right, that's part of that total you're already on, so you're okay. Yeah, that's part of that payment plan you already have.
I'm getting instructed about that one.
About this one? Go ahead, put your appearance on.
Check. I actually used Mr. Blake. He told me that he wanted a bench trial.
And I explained to him that he had a right to a jury trial and he changed his mind.
That's fine.
Yeah, no, that's fine, that's fine. She just needs you to confirm some dates.
Second.
That good? All right, so just have a seat. We'll get you notice for that court date. And I didn't write it in the file. Brianna McCree? Miss McCree, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
All right, you made a deal with the prosecutor. You're going to plead responsible to a parking violation. You've agreed to pay fines at cost of $250, and both the charges that were issued on February 15 would be dismissed. Is that your deal?
Yeah.
All right, can you pay the $250 today? I'm not doing payment plans on these deals. I'll give you a due date. Tell me how soon you can come up with the $250.
So I already have a payment plan with you guys.
I know that.
No,
No,
I explained that I thought that that's my deal, but see if you know, we're back to the one with that.
nope. Separate deal. You can run the payment plan on what you owe. That's fine. But in addition to that, tell me how soon you can come up with $250. I could do that. So are you all right with the 10th? That's a Friday. April 10th?
I'm sorry.
Are you all right with April 10th? That's a Friday. I like Fridays. Okay. All right. So if the money gets paid, then we'll dismiss the two original charges. Any questions?
So, okay, I'm gonna go because,
It's okay. That's why I'm asking if you have questions.
when I talked to the prosecutor, so he offered to,
Prosecutor's not in charge.
well, no, that's what I'm telling you what
I know what the plea offer was, man. I got all the plea. I know exactly what the agreement between you and the prosecutor is. And I'm going to give you that deal, but I'm not going to give you a payment plan to get it. You've agreed to pay $250. That's your end of the bargain. Right. His end of the bargain is when the $250 is paid, then you get the benefit of the bargain. I'm just not giving it to you until we get the $250.
Okay, so when I pay the $250, you'll.
Then the original charges are dismissed and it's the parking tickets all you got. You get the deal. I'm just not going to I'm not going to wait to see if we get our $250. Right?
I understand. I was just hoping you could do a little bit help me at the end, and I wouldn't have got
I can be lenient as hell, but I'm not going to be lenient. It's $250 and I'll give you until the 10th.
That's fine.
All right, any other questions? Okay, have a lovely day.
Which one did you get it on that?
I did it on the civil. Dante Kemp. Mr. Kemp, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? Looks like you made a deal with the prosecutor. It looks like you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of allow an unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle in Huron on October 5, 2022. That the new charge? Do you understand the possible penalty for that? Did you read your rights form today? You understand those rights and the options they give you? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge? Did you drive a vehicle that date in Huron Township? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now? Beautiful. Reinstated. So much more fun to drive that way, isn't it? Are you working? Okay.
Okay.
All right. Paying your bills?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you today? Yep. And we already got some money from you. We got a $150 bond. Is that right? Okay. Anything else? All right. We got some late fees on this one, unfortunately. So this file is going to be $600 and 4 days on the work program. ISS work program is an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you work. The $600, can you pay that today or do you need to talk about options? Go downstairs, talk about options on that. The same place you're going to talk about 4 days on the work program. Any questions? Work program is alternative to jail. How that works is you pick your days. The days you're scheduled, you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning, not 8:15, not 8:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. You'll go out with the crew that day. This time of year, we're picking up a lot of trash that's been covered by the snow all winter long. But you could be doing anything. I mean, they might be washing a fire truck someday. Why? No, no. But you get to pick your own schedule. You get to pick which days you work. All right, anything else? 4 days. All right, anything else? Go downstairs. Good luck. Aniki Rucker? Counsel, your file got buried under all those no attorneys. I'm sorry. Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Last looking at 34696, appearing on behalf of the defendant, need the record.
All right. Tell me what the deal is.
Your Honor, we are here today on a show cause arraignment pre-trial. Yes, the warrant being recalled.
Done.
Waive the interview, and I'm happy to tell you we've managed to resolve this matter as his record has paid all of her tickets.
Beautiful.
Other than, she did not realize until today, she has a double or a parking ticket in Dearborn Heights, which she will take care of. Then she's going to get her license.
Good.
She is
Good.
today going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver.
Awesome. All right, give me just a minute. Can you get Leanne in touch?
It's walking to you, we don't know, ask me can.
Sir, is your name Terry Ackman?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have not yet spoken to the attorney, have you?
I choose not to have attorney today. It's just arraignment.
All right, you don't want an attorney today?
No thanks.
All right, give me just a minute. I got another file I'm in the middle of, and then we'll take care of you.
Yes, sir.
Actually, give me a minute. I'm going to take care of a couple files. I'm sorry. So how close are you to getting your license back?
Couple weeks or so.
Couple weeks? Awesome. All right. So did you go over your rights with counsel? Yes? You understand those rights and the options they gave you? You understand the possible penalty for today's charge? You're pleading guilty to today's charge freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle on that date of May 26, 23 in Huron Township? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Counsel, you satisfied?
I would prefer to rephrase it, did you allow yourself correctly?
That's fine.
Did you allow yourself correctly?
Yes.
Now I'm happy.
Okay, I'll accept the plea to the added charge. I'll dismiss the original charge. Anything else I should know about Ms. Rucker before I sentence?
As I stated, Your Honor, she has paid everything. She just found out about that parking ticket today and will take care of it. And then she's on her way to Secretary of State. What we want to see.
You working? Where do you work?
Wimpy Burger,
Okay. Yeah, how long?
how long?
Yep.
About a year.
How many hours a week you average?
Now that the springtime's coming up, we'll say about 30.
You'll pick them up, pick more hours up?
Yes.
All right. All right, we got late fees on this file, so unfortunately, the total is $600. I'm gonna order $600 fines and costs plus 4 days on the work program. Have you heard me explain that? Do I need to explain it again? Any questions about that?
I just picked the day.
You pick the 4 days. You go downstairs, they'll tell you what's available. All right, so on the money, we've got $150 bond that will apply. The balance has to be paid by next month, the 10th, or show me a valid license. I'll literally pay you to get your license. So I'll waive the balance due after we apply the 150 if you show me the license. So that's an extra incentive. Get it done. Okay?
We accepted from it. It appears she's been canceled by the Secretary.
Yeah, as long as she's got valid driving privileges, I'm satisfied. Okay? All right, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
That was.
Oh, I gave you. Oh, how'd that happen?
Um,
Okay. Got buried in. All right, let's do Sydney. Is it Van Arsdale? Come on up, Miss Knapp.
4696, hearing on behalf of the defendant, Sydney Van Arsdale. Your Honor, we'll wait for reading, wait and stand mute.
I'll add a not guilty plea.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm asking this man to be reading.
Done. What date?
I'm here March 26th, 2 weeks from today.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Who's that with?
You.
Time.
8:30.
Yes.
All right, so Mr. Van Arsdale, Barnett, I had it first time, Van Arsdale. All right, we're gonna give you a paper notice for that date. In the meantime, I'll put you on a personal bond. First condition, show up in court. Second condition, don't commit any new crimes. Third condition, don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with those rules? Don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's script. No alcohol, no marijuana. Can you live with those? Yep. Got to have a doctor's script or don't do it. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess that up? Any questions?
Yeah, can since I DoorDash for my job, can I steal the drives?
Yeah. I mean, you're legal, right? Yeah,
Oh, wait. Yeah.
yeah, you're all right.
Civil infraction for driving without due care and caution, Your Honor, that's up today, but I believe.
We're just gonna adjourn that too. Yeah, you're good. Anything else?
You good?
I'm good.
Just have a seat. We'll get you notice. Christopher, is it Krutzer?
Great, sir.
Kreitzer?
What's,
Lost him. Okay.
yeah.
Hey, remind Jeff that young man's waiting to talk to him too. All right, Mr. Ackman, go ahead and unmute so we can take care of business. You're waiving your right to a court-appointed attorney today, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I've got a file here from July 25, 2024. It's a Romulus misdemeanor charge of assault or assault and battery. Carries a possible penalty of up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
How do you wish to plead to that charge today, sir?
Not guilty.
All right, we're going to give you a pretrial date, April 2nd, 2026, live, my courtroom, 9 a.m. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
I've got a file, address on the file on Arbor Avenue, 448. Is that a good address for you?
Yes.
All right.
I'm remanded right now in Wayne County.
I'm sorry, say that again?
I'm remanded right now in Wayne County until this is over.
All right. What are you in custody for? Our file or other files?
Well, felony probation violation.
Okay. When's your next court date on that one, if you know?
April 9th.
All right. So you'll be in jail at the time of my court date?
Yes.
Most likely. All right. got
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Read them out. All right. So we'll put in paperwork to get you brought in so we can take care of today's file. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm going to I'll just put you on a personal bond just so it doesn't add any confusion down there, hopefully.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
The complainant on this matter is Officer Gibbs. I'm assuming there's no reason for you to have contact with Officer Gibbs.
No.
All right, so I'm going to order two things. Number one, you stay out of trouble. Number two, no contact with Officer Gibbs. I'm not going to tell you about the court date because we're going to be in charge of getting you the court date. I mean, if they release you on the current case, the felony file, then it's on you. You got to be here for court. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, so I'll put you on a personal bond with that no contact order. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on my bond conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
See you in April.